Okay, so here's the secondary bedroom. Okay, so come in, window, again, have the view here of the backyard, back neighbors, okay, again, the closet, no door, but you can see the flooring. Okay, and then I'm gonna, it does have a ceiling fan, again, popcorn ceilings. I'm gonna stand in the back corner so you can see the size of the bedroom. Okay, and then when I come out of the room, you can see, so the bathroom is there, this other secondary bedroom is here, linen closet here. Okay, there's your attic access. Okay, so linen closet. Okay, and then the laundry. Okay, washer and dryer. They are included, I believe. So it does have the curtain here. And this is like the top of the stairs. Okay.